As I continue to shout out my sister friends, sisters, colleague friends, mentor friends, I tell you, superstar Wanda DeLaRosa, it's truly on the top of my list. Friendship of 30 years. We started young, we were friends since we were kids. Wanda DeLaRosa has been a staple, a family friend, a personal friend, a girlfriend, somebody you can let your hair down with, even though she was my mentor. So mentor, pastor, now friend. I tell you, this woman is amazing to the core. She's amazing to the core. Wanda, I want to shout out to you on this National Women History Month, because you have allowed me to let my hair down. You've allowed me to let the little girl play as I grow into a woman. Thank you for not taking that away. Thank you for not slapping the hand of a little girl who wanted to be silly, who wanted to dance, who just wanted to walk around Brooklyn like she's gonna get killed. But thank you for being you, because you allowed me to be myself. And because of being around you, I was able to flourish into the woman that I am today in business, in ministry, just being around people. I thank God you were from New York. I think that made a difference, because you New Yorkers, y'all are wild and free and just so fun. So you showed me that church could be fun. You showed me that we can make a difference and we can still sit on the floor with the kids and paint our faces, right? And smash pie in the face. We could just have fun in the kingdom of God. And I honestly don't think I would have stayed if it wasn't for you and your family showing me the reality of Christianity, the fun side. And when we're stressed out and we're burnt out like we often were, remember that we're just kids and we're just walking through life, good or bad. But you are a rock star to many, I'm sure, to millions. But on this International Women's History Month, I want to just talk about our history. I want to thank you for the history that we have in our friendship. I want to thank you for the history that we have in the Lord, and you and your entire family, because it's like a family friend, right? Thank you for embracing my family, going to the Bahamas with, and just being there, supporting me and just us through so much. You are that girl. You're my girl. You're my rock star. Thank you for being an amazing sister, mentor, friend.